Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change the display name in Wuthering Waves. So all you have to do, if you're in a game, simply pause the game by pressing the escape button and then get to this page. And then from here, find your name, here it is. And then next to it, you should see a pencil icon. So click on it and then you should get to this edit name page. Now from here, you should see an option, notification or rather info. After changing your name, you want to be able to change it again within 72 hours. So click on your name and type in a new name. Now once you type in your new name, simply click on confirm. And then you should see the name changes in progress. Please allow some time for it to be completed. Once done, simply exit and then give it a few minutes or hours depending on the time, and your name will change successfully in the game. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.